Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Polov here, and today we are reacting to Eurovision 2025. This is from Greece, and it's definitely my favorite live performance of Eurovision 2025. Let's see how the music video stands up. This is Klavdia Asteromata. Asteromata. Klavdia. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to request a video from Greece, click over here. Let's go. Let's go. Comment, guys. Let's pump this up. Yes. Let's go, Greece. Subtitles, subtitles, subtitles.
Φλόγες δεν τον νικούνε, τα χελιδόνια της φωτιάς, θάλασσες κι απερνούνε, του ρίζο μου τα χώματα, ποτέ δεν λησμονούνε, αστερώματα μου μικρή, γύρε να σε φιλήσω, στα
This is my winner. I love it so much. Wait for it. Now. Let's go. Bro, wow. 12 points from me. Bro, the way the beat drops, 12 points from me. This is my 12 points. I've decided. This is my 12 points. I love a lot of different countries that are in this competition. This year, it's fierce. This year, it's just incredible. But my 12 points will go to Greece. Listen to that beat. Wow. Wow. Whoa. I love it so much, guys. I honestly, man, my hair is even like standing up, like goosebumps. Bro, wow. Wow. Greece. This song represents Greece. It has a modern take to it. It has like Bro, wow. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Like, I love this so much. That's my 12 points, guys. It sounds, what I like about this is that it has the native language of the country. It feels a little bit it feels traditional, it feels modern, it has like a mix of things. Like, man, that's my 12 points. I absolutely love it. I love her vocals. You know, the lyrics, for the first time I saw what she was talking about, you know, it's emotional. It has a lot, man. I love it so much. I don't know if you guys love it as much as I do, but I do. Listen to it with headphones on. Try to, you know, get involved with it. This is what Eurovision is all about. You know, it's in Greek. It shows the culture of the country. It moves you. It's talent. You know, wow, absolutely fantastic. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to request a video from Claudia or from Greece or from any country, go over to Buy Me Coffee. Click over here or click over here to see my Eurovision playlist, and I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.